Hi, everyone. I'm Alec Mitchell, and I'm here to talk to you about an exciting new product that solves a problem with Plone you might not have even known you had. Adding images to a document is very hard. Just look at how many steps it takes. First, you have to click the image button. Then you have to select the Upload tab. Then you have to click Browse. Then you still have to navigate to your image file. Then you have to select an image. Then you have to click Choose for Upload. Finally, you can click the Upload button. But you're still not done. You have to wait for the upload. And then you have some more choices to make before you can finally click Insert. That was a lot of work. It took a minimum of 9 steps. And the image isn't even where I wanted it. There has to be a better way. CMS editors have been complaining to me about this for a very long time. When editing an article with a lot of photographic content, these steps can really add up. Just look at this. This is one article. Some articles need a lot of photos. CMS editors ask, why can't we just drag and drop them? Well, let's give it a try. Here I've got a Plone site. I'm going to click Edit, go down here, make a little space where I want to drop an image, take this image, pop it in there. Oh. Well, that was disappointing. But what if there were another way? There's KCRW Tiny MCE Image Shop. With the magic of JavaScript and Python, you can do it. It's available at your local cheese shop and at build outs everywhere. Let's give it a spin. First step is to go into Site Settings, go to your add-ons, add the add-on. Then we go back to the same page, click Edit, go down here, and drop an image in. Let's see what happens. Hey there, it's an image, and it's right where I wanted it. And if you click the image button, you can see it's a CMS image in Plone. Let's save it. Look at that. But wait, there's more. Can I drop 2 images? Let's find out. Let's get rid of this first one. Grab both of these images here. Pull them over. See what happens. Hey there, we've got 2 images. So we can. Can we drop more than 2? No, browsers are weird. What happens if the image upload fails? Let's find out. First, we'll click Edit. And then to make sure we fail, we will stop our Plone instance. Bye, Plone. Now, what happens when I drag an image here? Hey, we get an error. Look at that. So nice. That's pretty graceful failure. What else does it do? Not much else. But you can customize it. It's just one browser view. You can subclass it, override it, change the type of image, change where the images are created, change the HTML markup that gets inserted. It's so easy a child could do it. Your problems are solved. It's not available in stores, but you can get all this right now for the low, low price of, nope, not that. No, it's free. Free as in beer. Free as in freedom. It's free software. So put in your build out today or check it out on GitHub and maybe make a pull request. You can become a contributor and add features like this or whatever you want. Thanks, everybody. Where's that cowbell?